This is the Wikipedia page for Nerdcore. Nerdcore is a genre of hip-hop music characterized by subject matter considered of interest to nerds and geeks. Self-described nerdcore musician MC Frontalot has the earliest known recorded use of the term to describe this genre in the 2000 song Nerdcore Hip Hop. Frontalot, like most nerdcore artists, self-publishes his work and has released much of it for free online.
Though nerdcore rappers rhyme about anything from politics to science fiction, there are some perennial favorites in nerdcore subject matter, including anime, Star Wars, role-playing games, science, fantasy, and computers. Prior to that time, artists as varied as the Beastie Boys, Cool Keith, Deltron 3030, MC 900 Foot Jesus, one of my favorites, MC Paul Barman, one of my friends, Company Flow, and MF Doom began exploring topics far outside the traditional hip-hop culture, including stereotypically nerdy topics like space and science fiction.